Hi friends, welcome back to the Alicante Real Estate YouTube channel. My name is Vadim, and on this channel you'll find the hottest offers and the best market price in the Alicante region for properties. And today friends, I'm located in Torrevieja, close to the city center, and I'm showing you this beautiful new built apartment directly, as I said, close to the city center. It's like 300 meters away, and we are directly in the center, like 400 meters away or 500 meters away. We are at the port of Torrevieja. This apartment is offering you 2 bedrooms, a beautiful urbanization. We have a barbecue on the rooftop, we have some green areas on the top, so on the roof of the building, and we have some sun lounges, some space where we could put sun lounges and where we can hang around. Open plan kitchen, open plan dining area, so everything you need. This apartment costs just 222,000 euros. And if you would now buy an apartment by plan, for example, for next year, when it's finished next year, you will be paying 250 or 260,000 euros. This apartment is already finished, it's ready to move in. You can move in directly when you buy, because everything here is ready to move in. Of course, some pictures, some decorations is missing, but in general, it's all ready. So one point is we have here the balcony, we have as well a small patio, and we are here directly located in the, on Calle Orihuela. So our main office, Alicante Real Estate, is basically located down below the street, and as you know, our main office is in the center of Torrevieja. Back there, well, down there we have the Parque de las Naciones, one of the biggest parks here in Torrevieja, where there are several events during the year, and you can walk with your children, you can walk by yourself, you can just enjoy the beautiful nature of Parque de las Naciones. And the street as well is going out of Torrevieja, so if you're following the street, you can also leave the city directly there, and you will go down then to the airport, or as well to La Mata or any other places here close by. Okay, let's continue with the apartment, because we have air conditioning installed. As I said, open plan kitchen, dining area. Kitchen is completely fully equipped with all white goods. We have everything here, what you need. And yeah, we have here the panel control for the air conditioning directly in the living area. By the way, you will ask me, do I hear the roads? Because it's a city center apartment, new build, and of course there's some noise because you're in the center. So if you close this door, it's quiet. You don't hear anything from outside, okay? So just when you're leaving to the balcony and hanging around or smoking outside, if you smoke, it depends. Okay, let's see the rest of the apartment. What I like is when you enter, you have some small space where you can put your jackets and you can put your stuff here. Good to rent out, by the way. It's a good opportunity to rent out because most of the owners here are investors. We have here the first bathroom with shower. And by the way, we have floor heating, and as well the panel control for the floor heating is on the wall. Two bedrooms. We have here as the smaller one, which is actually used as an office space with a bed. But you can put as well a double bed there. And outside we have a patio where we can, like a small terrace, or you can put your bicycles there or whatever. So more outside space to store your stuff. Okay, and now follow me. We have here the main bedroom with the ensuite bathroom. So just go inside. We have this big space, this fitted in wardrobes, and a big, nice main bedroom, as well exit to the patio, to the other terrace of this apartment. Television connection, lights. It's not dark. It's a first floor. It's not dark. So yeah, good apartment for a fair price of 222,000 euros. In Torrevieja, with 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, new build, completely finished. You're the first one who will be living here. So if you're interested, you want to buy something or invest something like this, write us. And if you want something else, if you want another new build, friends, then just write me. Down below you'll find my contacts. We have all new builds on the coast. So yeah, send me a message, like this video, and I hope I see you soon here in Spain to show you some properties. So until next time.